How to turn off Incognito Mode on iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry, as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how you can fix that. Firstly, what you have to do is go and tap on Google. Now go and tap on your account, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Turn on Incognito. Once you tap on it, your account will be now open in Incognito Mode. And to turn it off, you can slightly tap on the toggle and turn it off. And in this way, you can easily turn off the Incognito Mode on your iPhone. Similarly, let's go and see what happens in Google Chrome. Go and find Google Chrome. Now go and tap on the three dots, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on New Incognito tab. Once you tap on it, your Incognito tab will automatically open. Now to turn it off, you can simply swipe up and tap on the cross button on your screen. In this way, you can easily turn on and turn off Incognito Mode on your iPhone. But if you're again not sure, you can simply tap on your tabs and tap on wrong button and simply end all of your tabs. In this way, you can easily turn off and your problem will be fixed now. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.